Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the fear is slowly starting to fade away as optimism is definitely taking over the crypto market. If you pay attention to Bitcoin, it's actually getting into the higher ends of 96,000, definitely breaking out of the 95 to 96, which could have put it into a little bit of a critical zone. But now it's very clear that we will be reclaiming 98,000 in probably the next 24 hours, and then the 100k will be the next milestone. This time around, this recovery is very promising. Also, if you pay attention to Dogecoin, it's still holding close to 4.3 billion when it comes to the trading volume, and the Dogecoin is going to test patience in this parabolic run, just like 2017, 2020, but this time around, we're still going to see an explosive move. New Dogecoin price target approved by a Verton trader, Peter, 1.1 billion Doge in a single hour, and Swiss Parliament approves Bitcoin mining study to balance the grid. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, you want the latest and the greatest news first, make sure you go down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just update to bar, go then push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Recently, I've been covering news relating to everything in crypto, not just Dogecoin, and I see a positive response from the community, so I'll keep going with that. First thing first, I want to talk about the price action. You can see that Doge is definitely showing another big run up. We did get rejected around the same zone, which was previously tested just about 48 hours ago, but this time around it is a little bit more convincing, as you can see that it's making a small consolidation phase before it might actually catch up to the uptrend that's being formed. On the other end, I want to show you guys what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is actually showing a really clear indication that it's going to be reclaiming 98,000. Now this recovery, you can see if I put it into 1 hour, it's in a really interesting phase because it keeps making the higher high, and you can see for a short period of time the decline was starting to show, but as soon as we were able to reclaim 96,000, there was a little bit of consolidation for about 24 hours, which was around here, which caused a little bit of panic as people were expecting something similar we received over here. This was the consolidation phase, pullback. This consolidation phase, being able to break out of that 96,000 is definitely the only key thing we needed for the Bitcoin price to keep climbing and actually not see more shorting. If we talk about the open interest, Doge is climbing again, nearly about to cross 3 billion, and the long to the short ratio is still holding strong. That means the new people who decided to throw some more money into Dogecoin are definitely the long traders, close to 75%, as yesterday was sitting close to 74. Another thing which is interesting is the way the wave it's actually forming. You can see that's been around the same sort of wave that we received in 2020 and 2017. Do I think that the price will climb all the way to $8? The chances are quite slim. Personally, I do not think that's going to happen due to the fact that the market cap would be too big. But do I think crossing $1 or $1.50 is possible? And the answer is yes. I personally feel like this whole bull market, if you guys do not know, there have been some really important Verton traders that have mentioned that XRP and Dogecoin are going to be very similar in terms of the fact that Dogecoin is just a smaller meme coin version of XRP. That's how I personally see it myself, and that's exactly how everything has been reacting. If we talk about the way XRP and Dogecoin has been acting, let's just say the market cap between the two difference is quite large now. For Dogecoin to be able to catch up, it would have to go very explosive. If it's able to make it to the price of about 60 or 55 cents, it's definitely going to catch up to the XRP market cap, so it doesn't seem so far-fetched as much. New Dogecoin price target. Now this price target is seen as its all-time high is 73 cents, but right now the price target is sitting close to 66 cents before we do see the breaking of its all-time high. I do see this as a really positive way, and I personally do think that this will happen in the near future. 1.1 billion Doge. Now you can see 500 million Doge, which is about 200 million transferred from unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. This is a huge transaction because that's worth about 445 million, because there have been 2 transactions, one 300 and one 500. This is huge. What is happening in the background, we will find out very shortly, but going to an unknown wallet is not a bad idea due to the fact you need to understand. Unknown wallet to an unknown wallet, nothing bad, but only time is when it goes to an exchange, there is a chance that that person is deciding to sell. Swiss Parliament approves Bitcoin mining study. This is interesting because there is definitely a lot of different countries which are facing problems relating to electricity and how much usage crypto mining is doing. So that's why they're having a study. Would that be seen as a negative impact on crypto? I don't think so, due to the fact that Swiss is not even one of the largest miners of crypto in the world. But this is a good study because it's going to allow them to have better understanding in terms of how everything should be playing out. Another thing is, in 2021, Nancy was asked if Congress should ban from trading stocks. Her response: no, this is a free market. While serving 37 years in Congress with an annual salary of $200,000, she increased her net worth by, that's a lot of money. That's what I'm going to say, 260 million. So there is a lot of indication in terms of what's happening in the background. I am just telling you. On the other end, stop loss moved to break even. Now it's risk-free riding. Let's see where this holds it. Right now, I do agree with this. As I mentioned, breaking over 96,000 was the key point that our boy Bitcoin had to cross, and once that is done, there is so much free flowing for Bitcoin to keep climbing. There won't be much slowing it down. And Trump administration Doge push to make government efficient now reaching a level state. A group, or you can say, is asking its state government to undergo spending and staffing reviews similar to those incoming Trump administration intend to conduct, with a newly created agency that will lead a successful entrepreneurs. Now, this is huge because if this plays out right, this could be one of the turning point of the US government. And SEC acknowledges Bitwise a 10 crypto index ETF. Now, yesterday we talked about how the SEC head is going to be taking a step back and the new one's going to be similar to pro crypto, and you can see it's already showing into effect. And don't sell Doge short yet, because there is more to come. Especially, you need to understand, on the 25th, when our boy Trump makes it to the White Office, that's going to be a big deal because he's going to do some sort of announcement relating to Doge, and that's going to have a positive impact on the Dogecoin price. And Doge surge in the retail FOMO can fuel the Doge past one. I mean, it is possible because the way that you can see the fear of missing out, a lot of people are catching up and trying to buy into it. There is definitely a lot of potential for Dogecoin to price to go very explosive. US spot Bitcoin ETF inflow hit an all-time high in November. So you can see that even big retail investors are definitely scared of missing out, and that's why they are pushing the money into it. Right now, we have a lot of profit to make. You just need to be a little patient, and I'll see you soon.